The next step is to upload both the screenshot and the QR code images. The second image is a bit tricky. First, record a click on the button to upload first image. After you confirm, you should see the gallery of images on your website. Record another click on the Upload Image tab. Then record a click on the button to upload an image. You can upload any image. It doesn't matter because you can delete it afterward. This is to create the automation. Before you continue, go to the control panel and find the click on the Upload button. Click on the three dots, then select Change Step Type. In the list, find the Upload option. Click on the content of the step and change it to the correct column from your Google Sheets, which should be the path for the image from your computer. I would also rename the step so I know it's for uploading the screenshot. After uploading the image, make sure to add a delay so the image has enough time to fully upload. You can also add some alt text and a description for better SEO and easier image management later. This part is optional, but I recommend it. If you'd like to add the alt text or description, record a type step on the alt text box or any other text field you want to update. Type something and confirm the step. Then change the text to the correct column from your Google Sheets, and you can add extra text if you like. For example, I use a product name, and sometimes I add extra text that stays the same for all products. In this case, I might add AppSumo to indicate a product source. After that, record a click step on the select button and add another delay to ensure the image has enough time to upload to your website. For the next image upload, I ran into an issue where whenever I click the button to upload the QR code, it kept selecting the first button meant for the screenshot image. To fix this, I had to use something called selector to tell TaskMagic to focus on the second button instead of the first. I'll show you now how to set this up. First, open a new post on your website on regular Chrome, the same post type you're working on with TaskMagic automation. Then click on the three dots in your Chrome browser and select More Tools. In the list, find Developer Tools. This will open a panel on the side with code. But don't worry if you're not familiar with coding. I'm not either. You just need to click on the element you want to focus on in the code. Right-click on the element you want, then select Inspect from the menu. On the side, you'll see the code where the element is highlighted. Right-click on the highlighted part and from the menu, choose Copy. In the list of options, select Copy Selector. Now go back to TaskMagic Automation. After you've recorded the click that you want to change, click on the three dots of the click step. Find Update Selectors and delete all the selectors that are already there. Paste the selector code you copied from the inspections. This should now work, and it will select the correct button for uploading the image. Now repeat the process to record all the other clicks and typing just like we did for uploading the other image.